I read something that said if I keep my mind stayed on him, that he would keep me in perfect peace. A lot of times I have to remind myself that I need to keep my eyes or my mind on the prize. Because if my mind is on the prize, then I have peace about everything else in my life. But a lot of times those distractions come, and when the distractions come, I take my mind off the prize and I focus on the distractions, and now my life is like up, down, and I have no peace. But if I only would have focused on the prize, the true prize, the real prize, the thing that he given me to do, I would have peace about everything else because my focus is now on one thing and not every other thing that's running or rolling by. So for the rest of this week, focus your attention. Keep your mind stayed on the prize and enjoy your peace that you have. Go be happy today. Have a great rest of this week. Smile, be happy.